Finnish state-controlled Patria Group announced on Friday that the company in Japan Steelworks Limited, JSW, signed on the 31st of August 2023 a license agreement on manufacturing for Patria AMV XP 8x8 vehicles in Japan. The agreement enables local production in accordance with Japan Ground Self-Defense Forces Wheeled Armored Personnel Carrier (WAPC) program. As noted by the company, in December 2022, Patria AMV XP 8x8 vehicle was selected by the program to replace Type 96 8x8 Armored Personnel Carrier vehicles that are currently in use. Neither the number of new vehicles nor the value of the agreement are disclosed at this stage. Patria is fully committed delivering Japan Ground Self-Defense Forces WAPC program as agreed, and we are extremely satisfied to have JSW as our manufacturing partner in Japan. Both companies have over 100 years of experience in providing top-of-the-line quality products for customers with the most demanding needs. JSW is a top-quality manufacturer locally, and Patria foresees that JSW is an excellent manufacturing partner and will execute projects fully up to Patria and global standards, says Janne Räkköläinen, Senior Vice President of Market Area World at Patria. Räkköläinen added that together, they create a strong team to manufacture and deliver the latest generation armored vehicles in Japan for years to come.